Hello! In this tutorial video I would like to explain to you the mouse mode interactively windowing. And you can find the mouse mode in the Emalytics preclinical software here on the left side in the mouse mode toolbar. It's this one. And when you click on the button, you will find a special mouse settings toolbar with some pre-selected windowing settings, but also some boxes where you can enter values for minimum, center, width and maximum. And when you enter the windowing settings, you enter them on the 2D slice views and on the 3D rendering, but only on the selected layer. So as selected layer we have here the underlay, and it's a CT image. I will go to the default general windowing settings. So now it changed, and the minimum value is -1000 and the maximum value is 3000. When I click on the pre-selection for the lung windowing, you see here that now you can better see the lung tissue. We can also select soft tissue windowing, and now you see the soft tissue of the mouse. And the last one is for bone. So now we have some higher HU values, so minimum 1000 and maximum 4000. You can reset the windowing settings by clicking on this button here, or you just can press F5. So I pressed F5 and now the windowing settings are resetted. You can enter some specific values, for example maximum 3000. And what you can also do, you can go to the upper toolbar and click here on Set Layer Windowing, and here you see the histogram. And this mountain here is for the soft tissue, so when I move the slider a little bit here, now we have a better soft tissue windowing settings. When I put it to the front, it's more for the air. So now you can see the lungs a little bit better in the 2D image. I will reset it. And when you want to change the windowing settings of the other layers, for example of the overlay, you have to select overlay. When I now change the windowing settings with the mouse cursor, you can directly change the windowing settings just using this mouse cursor here. So I go from left to right and from bottom to top. Now the windowing settings are changed. I hope you can see it. When you change it for one channel, for example here for the FDG, and then now go to the other channels, we have here iodine and technetium. The windowing settings only for FDG were changed. So you can change the settings independently from each other. Now I change it for technetium. You can also enter some values here and apply it with enter. Now I go to FDG again. What you also can do in the windowing settings, you can change the color table. You can find it here. Now red is selected. You can change it to NIH. Press OK. And when you reset the windowing settings, only the settings are resetted, not the color table. So the color table remains the same from red to NIH. Okay, that was all about the windowing settings. I hope it helps. Thanks and bye bye.